not yet.
Okay, Barry's about to eat this super sour thing. It's so by itself. It's supposed
Everyone
to
spit. Let's see if I can try to stay.
I know, we spit. We were like, anyways.
Now, I'm Claire, okay? I dared him to do this.
I'm Tyler.
And if I do it, she'll give me another one until I spit it out.
Nope.
That was the dare.
No, I said.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Is it coming out?
Yep. It already came out.
Hello, Mom.
I can't spit. No, I can't.
Watching Barry eat the sour thing. Mommy. Wait, guys.
All done.
Guys, I'm talking to my mom.
Now can I eat this part?
Yeah.